A deep breath in and exhale out.
I really just have kind of this chronic pain in my lower back, really.
This is the first time actually gonna be getting adjusted, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm a little nervous, to be honest.
There we go. Good. There we go. I am gonna stabilize on the sacrum. I want you to raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
Not really.
Alright, relax that leg. Raise the left side for me. Now compare, how does the left side feel to the right?
The left side feels a little more strained.
Okay. So we want to bring that sacrum back to midline. Good. Good. And okay. Raise that leg up again for me. How'd that feel?
A little bit easier.
Good. Top leg, I'm gonna just bend that knee. Good. There we go. And then I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Just on one side. Bring your arms out like that. Bring your hands on top of mine. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna have you lean back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Good. There we go. Let me have you lift your head up. Good. Oh, even better. Thank you. Good, good. No, you're good now. I just don't want to be over your earrings.
Ooh.
Deep breath in and out. What did you feel?
Like a slinky. That was good.
Not too bad, right?
Not at all.
Good. Stand up. How do you feel?
Looser.
Good. Yeah, move around a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely not as stiff.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Because I know everything was more mid to low back.
So it's kind of everything I thought it'd be, so.
Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.